Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a clean environment and installing core libraries. This prevents version conflicts. Once done, load a small labeled CSV into pandas so you can iterate quickly. Next, tokenize with NLTK or SPA-SCI to inspect tokens and stop words. You do this to understand data noise. Then convert tokens into features using simple TF-IDF with scikit-learn to get a baseline model. This gives a fast, explainable starting point before moving on to deep models. Now you vectorize text and tune a simple classifier. This step turns words into numeric features the model can learn from. Use TF-IDF with uni and bigrams to capture context, then run grid search CV to find good hyperparameters. This gives robust performance without overfitting. Once trained, evaluate with accuracy and precision, and analyze the confusion matrix to spot systematic errors. Make sure to persist the pipeline with joblib so you can load it for inference or further experimentation later. For production, move to contextual embeddings when accuracy plateaus. Transformers give better nuance and handle rare words. Once you have a final pipeline, expose it via fast API and containerize with Docker for consistent deployment across environments. Monitor predictions and log inputs, outputs, and confidence scores so you can trace failures. If things go wrong, inspect mismatched examples versus training data to identify domain shift or label noise. Then fine-tune or augment the dataset and redeploy. Iterate until performance stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.